Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every car owner should consider adding to their toolkit, the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner with storage case. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Foxwell NT301? It's a compact, user-friendly OBD2 scanner designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot vehicle issues effectively. Equipped with a variety of features, this tool allows you to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, which can be crucial for understanding why your check engine light is on. It's like having a mini mechanic in your glove compartment. One of the standout features of the NT301 is its ability to accurately read error codes for most cars, SUVs, light trucks, and even 12V diesel vehicles. With live data graphing and logging capabilities, you can monitor vehicle sensor data in real time. This is particularly useful for identifying problematic areas and understanding trends that may indicate an emerging issue. Additionally, the NT301 is designed with a unique patented layout that includes a clear 2.8-inch color screen. This makes it easy to navigate through the menu and read the results without straining your eyes. Plus, Foxwell offers free lifetime updates, ensuring you always have the latest vehicle information at your fingertips. The NT301 is particularly recommended by Mechanic Scotty Kilmer, a well-known figure in the automotive community. His endorsement speaks volumes about the scanner's reliability and effectiveness. Another feature worth noting is its compatibility with printers, allowing you to create hard copies of your diagnostics if needed. For those concerned about emissions testing, the NT301 serves as a reliable smog check helper. It features I/M readiness hotkeys, making it simple to check your vehicle's readiness status for emissions testing. The built-in red, yellow, green LEDs and speaker provide instant feedback, so you can be confident before you head to the testing station. This OBD2 scanner is not just for professional mechanics, it's an essential tool for any car enthusiast or everyday driver. Whether you're a DIY mechanic looking to save on repair costs or someone who wants to keep their vehicle in excellent shape, the NT301 is an invaluable addition to your toolbox. It's particularly useful for diagnosing minor issues before they escalate into costly repairs. In practical terms, you can use the NT301 to quickly check your car's health before taking a long road trip, troubleshoot warning lights that pop up on your dashboard, or even help friends and family with their vehicle issues. The best part? It operates directly from your vehicle's OBD2 port, so there's no need for batteries or complicated setups. In summary, the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner is a solid investment for anyone who wants to take control of their vehicle maintenance. With its user-friendly design, accurate diagnostics, and practical features, it's definitely a worthy tool to own. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget